Hi, welcome to the ANY.RUN channel. For SOC teams with varied experience levels, the intuitive interface of ANY.RUN Sandbox helps even junior analysts follow along and understand an attack's flow. Today, we'll show you how to analyze malware behavior using the process tree in ANY.RUN. The process tree shows a visual representation of all the processes spawned when a file or URL is executed in the ANY.RUN sandbox, as well as how these processes relate to each other. Let's see how to use it in your malware analysis. The process tree helps you see the full execution chain and understand how the sample interacts with the system, providing a lot of insight immediately. Malicious activity indicators highlight actions that stand out, like credential stealing or schedule task creation. Static information icons give quick access to additional artifacts and info related to the process. For instance, a PE icon indicates you can view the portable executable details of that process. A DMP icon means a memory dump was captured. ANY.RUN will tag certain processes with labels if they match known malware families or behaviors, such as Agent Tesla, Luma, or broader categories like InfoStealer or phishing. Clicking a process in the tree opens the Process Details tab, showing its events, their classifications, and mapped MITRE TTPs sorted by severity. ANY.RUN calculates a malicious score for each process based on its observed events and behavior. A quick glance at the score can tell you if a process is worth investigating immediately. Here's a process ID. Selecting a PID in other panels like network connections highlights it in the process tree. This saves you time from manually cross-referencing PIDs or process names. Click on the triangle icons to collapse or expand groups of processes. Click the AI button next to any process to get a detailed, easy-to-understand perspective on the threat. Great for speeding up triage, reviewing unfamiliar samples, or explaining findings to non-technical teams. To dig even deeper into the process, you can check out the advanced process details. Just find the process you want to investigate in the process tree and click the More Info button. We'll cover how to leverage it for deeper investigations in a separate video. Stay tuned. ANY.RUN also provides an alternate visualization called the process graph, a convenient way to visualize the relationships between processes. It is particularly useful when dealing with hundreds of processes. To view the details of a process, simply click on the one of interest. Empower your team with faster incident investigation through tailored customization, detailed reports, and unlimited sandbox sessions. ANY.RUN's cloud-based interactive sandbox enables secure analysis of threats across Windows, Linux, and Android in under 40 seconds, without the need for complex on-premise systems. Gain actionable insights and respond to more threats with greater speed and efficiency. Contact us today to request a trial of ANY.RUN services for your company. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.